What's the meaning of bloodline? Bloodline. Bloodline.
Bloodline. Bloodline. Bloodline refers to the biological connection between individuals within a family or lineage. It signifies the transmission of genetic material and traits from one generation to the next. The concept of bloodline has been important in many cultures and societies throughout history, as it often determines a person's social status, rights, and privileges. In some cases, bloodline can also play a role in inheritance laws and succession to positions of power. However, the importance placed on bloodline has been criticized for perpetuating unjust societal structures and discriminating against those who do not have a prestigious or pure bloodline.